How to fix Discord voice cracking problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord voice cracking or sound cracking problem solved. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So guys, here you can see here this is my Discord and I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So this is my friend and I am connected to this server. So if you are facing the sound problem or voice cracking problem, simply click on this general option, and then after clicking to this general option you have to click on this three dash on the top right of your screen and click on settings. Now here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you have to do here, you can see input mode, so just click on input mode and here you can see voice activity. Simply click on voice activity and auto sensitivity. You have to allow the auto sensitivity and test my microphone. Doing this after setting the same settings of my Discord, you have to go to Play Store here, sorry, settings, phone settings, and then here you have to go to manage apps option and go to app list, and here you have to search for Discord application. So let me just show you how you can do that here. Just go to Discord. So let me just go to Discord here and then click on Discord option. Now what you have to do, scroll down and click on this permission option, and then here you have to allow this microphone. Make sure to allow this microphone. I have already allowed it. So in this way you can fix this problem, voice cracking problem on Discord. I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.